welcome back to another 8482 tutorial. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to add audio and video layers. So as you guys can see, if we simply drag and drop anything into the timeline, it's going to create 3 video layers and 3 audio layers. But let's say we're working on something a little bit more complex. How can we add additional layers? Well, the simple way to do it is to just simply highlight your video. And if you want to add a new video layer, drag your video or a clip in your timeline up to that 4th layer, and it will create a new layer. If you want to create another one, you can drag it up again, and so on and so forth. And you can create as many layers as you would like. Now, you might think it's different for audio. It's not. So we can just drag this audio layer down past the mix icon, let it go, and it will create a 4th audio layer. Again, we can drag it down even more, and it will create a 5th, and we can continue dragging, and it will create more layers. So if you guys get stuck in Adobe Premiere Pro and you need to add another layer of video or audio, but you can't seem to do it, I hope this tutorial helped you out. Look, we do record all kinds of quick, simple tutorials to help you guys solve your problems. So if this helped you out, please subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below if you're struggling with anything else.